Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your frame rate higher. First, let's understand what frame rate means. It's essentially the number of individual images your screen displays each second. A higher frame rate translates to a much smoother and more fluid visual experience, which is especially important for fast-paced activities like gaming. It can significantly improve your reaction time and overall immersion. We'll cover several practical steps to achieve this. Next, dive into your game settings. Many games offer extensive graphics options that directly impact performance. Start by reducing overall graphics quality presets from ultra to high or medium. You can also specifically lower your display resolution or disable intensive visual effects such as shadows, anti-aliasing, and reflections. Experiment with these settings to find the best balance between visual fidelity and a higher frame rate for your system. Keeping your system's drivers up to date is a critical step for maximizing frame rate. Your graphics card drivers, in particular, receive frequent updates that include performance optimizations for new games and applications. Regularly check for and install these updates. If you're still struggling, consider a hardware upgrade. A more powerful graphics processing unit or central processing unit can provide a substantial boost to your frame rate, especially in demanding titles. Finally, maintaining a clean and efficient system is key. Close any applications running in the background that aren't essential, as they consume valuable CPU and RAM resources. Also, physically clean your computer's internal components, especially fans and heatsinks, to prevent overheating, which can throttle performance. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying for a pet-friendly home, make sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.